What's good, y'all? It's me, JSB, and I ain't gonna do too much talking, but I'm here to show y'all how I use Bandlab, because I use Bandlab, and I'm like, maybe somebody want to get educated on how to use, you know what I'm saying, Bandlab. So I got y'all. So look, so I'm gonna start from scratch first, and then I'm gonna show y'all one of my songs that I made. Go to import track, press more, and I got a beat, so I'm gonna just select a random beat, select you a beat. Alright, so the beat selected. So you wanna go to mic, you wanna go to voice/mic. Boom. Do that. Alright, now get all your settings right. So get your keys right. So what I like to use is this. Then put it right here a little bit. Like it varies, like for each song, like you can do what you want. So like, but I'm gonna put it right here. Bang. So when I first started out, I used to use this punchy rap, but then I realized it don't sound as good. Like it don't sound like a real song. You know what I'm saying? Like it sound like it don't sound good. So what you're gonna have to do is make your own preset. And I got this one right here. I got this one that I made, and it's real good. So copy all this down. Like you can slow the video down or pause it. You know what I'm saying? All right. So you got the FBK compressor. Bang. Copy that. You got the noise gate. Boom. Copy that. The noise gate is like, you know, that little background stuff. Gonna get all that out. You got the studio reverb. Copy that. Got the de-esser. Copy that. This not turned on, so you only gotta copy that. And then you got the multi amp pro. Copy that. Copy the model. The model is classic bassman. So once you got that copy down, you can name it. You can save it, name it anything you want to. All right, so now that you got your preset selected, then you can turn it on, hear it. And hold on, it's kind of delayed a little bit, so I'm gonna exit out of the app and then come back because it's delayed a little bit. I can hear it. All right. So we back in the app. It ain't delayed no more. All right. So you got your beat, you got your track. Now look, what you want to do is this: duplicate, then duplicate again. You got one track, you got another track, then you got another track. All right. So I'm gonna record a song. Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. All right, bam. So I said that. I said, hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Then I punch. I stop it right there. I go back. You know. Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Hey, yo, man, no fool, go get 'em up. Stop it. Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Hey, yo, man, no fool, go get 'em up. When we come through, stick 'em up. Hey, yo, man's no flow, go get 'em up. No flow, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Hey, yo, man's no flow, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. Go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I. No flow, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Hey, yo, man's no flow, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. I can't get enough. I'm in my bag and I'm finna go fill it up. Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Hey, yo, man's no flow, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. I'm in my bag and I'm finna go fill it up. All right, so boom, that's like something light. And then after you done recording your song, you wanna go here, hit duplicate, boom, then hit duplicate, boom. All right, so you got these two tracks. You can like go to either one of these. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try high Vox. You can like fluctuate throughout these to see what sound better. But make sure you put these like right here. Not too high, cause if it's too high, then it don't sound good. It ain't gonna sound good. Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Ayo, meals no full, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. I'm in my bag and I'm finna go fill it up. You know what I'm saying? So you see how it sounds. Look. Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Ayo, meals no full, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. I'm in my bag and I'm finna go fill it up. Alright, so now look how it sounds without it. Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Ayo, meals no full, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. I'm in my bag and I'm finna go fill it up. Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Ayo, meals no full, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. I'm in my bag and I'm finna go fill it up. It just sounds a little bit better. You see what I'm saying? It sounds a little better. I mean, you can put these up higher, test it out. You know what I'm saying? Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Ayo, meals no full, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. I'm in my bag and I'm finna go fill it up. You know? You see? You hear that? You can try large studio verb. You can try all these. You know what I'm saying? Like, whatever sound better for you. Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Ayo, meals no full, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. I'm in my bag and I'm finna go fill it up. You could try Scotty Tone, that's new. You can try this one. Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Ayo, meals no full, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. I'm in my bag and I'm finna go fill it up. I'll just stay with. Let me try high and bright. This the last one I'm trying. If this don't sound good, I'll stay with high Vox. Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Ayo, meals no full, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. I'm in my bag and I'm finna go fill it up. Yeah, I'll just stay with high Vox for the moment. That don't mean you gotta choose high Vox. You can like choose whatever one sound good for you. But I ain't trying to take all day though. Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Ayo, meals no full, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. I'm in my bag and I'm finna go fill it up. Bones. Or and look, you can do this too. Like, you don't gotta perfectly align it. You can like push this back one, come right here, push this back one, come right here, push this back one, push this back one. Now look. Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Ayo, meals no full, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. I'm in my bag and I'm finna go fill it up. Turn it down so it can't be that loud. Then look. Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Ayo, meals no full, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. I'm in my bag and I'm finna go fill it up. Just enough so you can hear it, but. Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Ayo, meals no full, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. I'm in my bag and I'm finna go fill it up. You know what I'm saying? Or you can try to push it back twice. Wait, oh shit, I'm tweaking. Let's see how that sound. Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Ayo, meals no full, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. I'm in my bag and I'm finna go fill it up. You know what I'm saying? They don't sound too bad. Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Ayo, meals no full, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. I'm in my bag and I'm finna go fill it up. So, once you're done recording, once you got your song or whatever, first you want to record the song, and then you want to come down here and duplicate it, and then put the little effects on it. You see what I'm saying, at the bottom. Then once you do all that, once you finish your song, save it. Name it whatever you want. Go out. Wait till it sync. Hold on. All right, so Once you save the song, click on it, and then click on View Details. You see it at the bottom right here? All the way at the bottom, View Details. Then click on the 3 dots at the top right here. These 3 dots, bang. You see the 3 dots at the top. Click on that. Then click on Edit Mastering. See, some people like to use this, Enhanced Clarity, but I don't like Enhanced Clarity. I don't know why. Like, it just don't sound good. Alright, so look.
Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Ayo, meals no flow, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. I'm in my bag and I'm finna go fill it up.
See, that don't sound good. What I like to use is this, CD quality. I like to use CD quality. That sound, it make it sound better. You see what I'm saying?
Go get 'em up, you know.
So,
hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Ayo, meals no flow, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. I'm in my bag and I'm finna go fill it up.
you see what I'm saying?
No flow, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. I'm in my bag and I'm finna go fill it up.
You see? It make it sound a little bit louder.
Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Ayo, meals no flow, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. I'm in my bag and I'm finna go fill it up.
You can do
Hey,
it.
when we come through, stick 'em up. Ayo, meals no flow, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. I'm in my bag and I'm finna go fill it up.
I just like CD quality because it like equalizes everything.
No flow, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. I'm in my bag and I'm finna go fill it up.
It make the little boo boo sound louder. You see what I'm saying? So what I do is I select CD quality. I mean, you can select anything you want to, but I do CD quality. So click the check. I mean, if you feel like your vocals ain't loud enough, you can always go back in and then raise your vocals up. Boom, just a little bit. Let's see how it sound now.
Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Ayo, meals no flow, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. I'm in my bag and I'm finna go fill it up.
Boom. Say that. Exit out. So now let's listen to it. It's like easy and simple. Like easy, simple. See what I'm saying? It's easy.
Hey, when we come through, stick 'em up. Ayo, meals no flow, go get 'em up. Getting all this money, I think I can't get enough. I'm in my bag and I'm finna go fill it up.
So I'm gonna show y'all one of my songs that I made. It's called No Stopping Us. So it's like,
Hey, once we get it started, ain't no stopping us. Turn down for what? I'm gon' stay lit, just like my chakras. I'm tired of this, cause every year new bullshit popping up. Hey, if you wanna be like us, transform like Optimus. Hey, lead by example, cause they asses gon' be watching us. Hey,
if this get to 100 likes, I'll show y'all how I make singing songs. I'll show y'all how I made this song. Like, how to sound good while singing.
I thought you loved me, why you put me in that position? We supposed to build together, not be in competition. If I tell you how I feel, would you listen? You know for you, I'll ride to the wheels go missing. This feel unreal, thought of you and I was wishing.
So if this get to 100 likes, I'll show y'all how to sound good while singing. And I gotta finish this song too, so. Alright, it's been me, JSB, and thanks for watching.